Hi guys, today we talk about Motorola Edge 50 Pro. It's launched on April 2024. Dimensions of Motorola Edge 50 Pro: height 6.35 inch, width 2.85 inch, thickness 8.2 mm. The weight is 186 gram and the build: front glass, eco leather bag and an aluminium frame. The display of Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. It comes with POLED 1 billion color screen type and the screen size is 6.7 inches with 92% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 144 Hz with 2000 nits peak of brightness, and the protection is Gorilla Glass Victus. The platform of Motorola Edge 50 Pro. It comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm and the CPU. It's come with octa-core Cortex-A715 and the GPU is Adreno 720. The memory of this device, it's come with 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM and 128, 256 and 512 GB of ROM. Let's talk about the camera. It's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel telephoto, and it records 4K 60 fps video with main cameras. It has selfie camera of 50 megapixel and it records 4K 30 fps video with selfie camera. The battery backup of Motorola Edge 50 Pro, it comes with 4500 mAh battery and 125 watt wired fast charging, and it supports 50 watt wireless charging and 10 watt reverse wireless charging. The common and the feature of this mobile, it comes with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 2.2 and IP68 dust and water resistant. The price of Motorola Edge 50 Pro is $700.